Well, we got one cow, two hogs, two flocks of chickens, and right now five sheep. Six sheep. One ram, 5 ewes. I like to tell them about how Clementine the hog got her name. We got her, several years ago, she was a little piglet, and the very first day she just escaped out through the pen and ran off into the woods, and we thought she was lost and gone forever. Oh, my darling Clementine. So we gave her that name that day because we thought she was lost and gone forever, but she came back that very same night, stayed with the big hogs. Next day she ran away again. The next night she came back. So she always came back.
She loved it. Did you like it? Right. And the sheep?
So doing farm things, and if
What'd
you
the
come
sheep
into
say?
the kitchen, the women will probably give you
Oh, look, he just came by us.
Big cow, right?
Good girl.